Happy Friday. Let's be out tonight. Tomorrow will be 82 years we were attacked in D-Day. Storm those beaches like I talk about. Snap next to those crowd and freed those Jews. Can't believe it. About the weather, they still wait in my mind to soften up. But anyways, you guys, my double whopper heavy y'all. Beautiful Friday. Boss is went home and I'm like, I'll hang out, surf and force around. But yeah, here we are. Double whopper with cheese heavy y'all. Oh. So let's talk about McJuggerNuggets, right? I've been watching the videos. Jeff Hagee, Anus Breath, for something that recommended me. When he does something, he gets shorts. He did a 9-minute black screen video. Beats one his hero. And I saw something else on Twitter. Someone else put a video up on this fake behavior. Keep on the camera, the same thing. Fake behavior, right? Is the AGP really dead? Was the AGP just a character in the show? AGP? I don't know. Whatever. People love that behavior, I guess, right? His channel's this idiot we talk about right here. He's charging us. I went and looked. They got pregnant, right? I come on my podcast. My dad told me, results of sex with children are disease you will help a condom. Put a condom on, right? Women protect your ovaries. You carry the groceries. You carry the groceries. And if you get when two DNAs come together, sometimes they don't mess, right? When you're putting out electrical fires, water doesn't help. So, I personally think he's trying to stir up drama here and fake behavior, right? Here's what I look at. I have no children I know of. I know two people in my inner circle for years. Both got abortions because they had abnormals in the baby. That was their business. They told me later on. They didn't tell me that she was pregnant. That's why you wait to make sure, so if you do have an abortion, it isn't public knowledge. I'm pro-choice. I don't believe this. Abortion should not be a way of birth control. Some people have an abortion is like just taking a shit, right? No big deal. Having sex, no big deal. My nephew, little girl's probably 14 now. When my mom was alive, and I was out there seeing her back in 2008 or something like that. It was my brother, his wife, or girlfriend at the time, was autistic. He got her pregnant. My brother said no. Put it up for adoption. He can't handle this. I facilitated it, much to the chagrin of his mom, but they weren't ready. We got an adoption. A very good friend of mine, at the airport with him, his daughter has Down syndrome. She's like a grown woman. She graduated from middle school. You're kind of a high functioning Down syndrome fat boy, Papa. She was his oldest daughter like a little kid. Very smart young lady. My friend, the daughter, would always think I was his boss. So whenever I'd come over to the house, I had to have Snuffies shake for her. Otherwise she'd be becoming unruly, right? Went to her graduation. I bought a Snuffies shake for her. When the company would give us a $50 gift certificate for Cub Foods, I'd give it to her, and she'd go buy herself something, but she'd go buy food for. They would have these bags for the food shelter. So she'd buy her something and then buy the rest things, right? The point is that she was a functioning person. I worked at Perkins. We had less intelligent kids, whatever, adults that were working in our kitchens for like 3 years, and they did real good work. I went down to McDonald's one time down there in Faribault, and there was a young man. He was a gentleman guy. I said, "When are you going to own this place?" And I always joke around the guy. He was out front, very nice young man, because he was treated like a grown ass man when he was young. Treated that he's no different. Being pregnant can be very good or bad. It's easy to criticize if it's Jeff Hagen or anybody else. When you have to make that decision, all of a sudden you're 25, you get pregnant. Oh shit! I think he's a liar. But people like to, believe what he says. I think it's fake. I'm not surprised. Just, kid on the camera used to beat up on kids. Fake trauma. The group of people that followed kid on the camera to me, McJuggerNuggets are long gone. I'm no better than anybody else. My child, no one cares. I am going to the car show this month. Back to 50s. Well, it's making news, I guess. I guess I'm talking with the guy too, but I haven't seen it. I'm like, I don't know. It's fake drama, as far as I'm concerned, but somebody do anything for clickbait. They'll put a picture of the guy. He was a mining guy, and he had a picture of the woman's butt, right, looking up at her. So guess what? As I went down below, I came to see her, but she wasn't really in the video. I guess if I'm a YouTuber, I'm gonna have a baby, and which is a perfect baby, I'm gonna wait until baby checks out, he or she, it's okay, and I guess I'm gonna have it, I guess. If you're gonna share that kind of behavior, abortion's a very big number of people. Like I said, put a condom on, prevent AIDS, herpes. I want to it's great to have children, but be ready for what God gives you. It'll be perfect. Not easy thing to get on the table and take out a child. Murder, what do you want to put them? But I think it's all just fake drama. And abortion, political stuff is very, very considering for people. My body, my choice. Friends with benefits, right? I'm banging. You got all those savages, right? Me and her are 20 years younger. We're having the time of our lives, right? Having sex. Oh my God. Went off and on. All of a sudden she's pregnant. Oh no. We do know. No. We had sex and she's pregnant. Now what? Adoption's the option. But if you put out you're pregnant, wait till it gets past that point to make sure it's okay before you have to say, guess what? We're pregnant now, we're going to get rid of it because of wasn't good enough. I think it's, well, how can you say it's true? He's nothing but fake drama, he's a liar. It could be on the camera. Same behavior, so I know it's a big thing for people, and he's getting out in the middle of nowhere, and bad news is good news. Well, in wrestling, they call it wrestling, but I'm not surprised. I had my sister fighting cancer. I've talked about it a few times on the channel, but I'm not going to do anything about it. She's doing pretty good. Whatever. Like all saying that about me. Oh my God, you know, my sister's fine. Oh my God. But abortion is a very personal thing for some people. People like to be critical of that, and I get it. It's easy for you to make that decision And that choice, it's not your body and your family. It's a very tough thing. And I'm not promoting abortion, trust me. You're going to try to have a baby, it's not going to be perfect. You should make up no harm, who knows? But he's a bold-faced little liar, like on the camera is. Like I said, is the 18 people he did? Was he just a character on the show and they killed him off? Like my favorite show, Hunting Party. Not gonna renew it. Pisses me off, but I said a good friend of mine worked with. His daughter has Down syndrome, and he ended up quitting and he paid by the state to take care of his daughter. Really nice young lady. She always thought it was his boss at the airport. And very smart young lady. She called him up at work and the dog was having seizures. She looked at the internet, he's having a seizure, he's having a seizure. She said, seizure. You made God's eyes. All pregnant to be perfect. Not all pregnancies are going to be Tiger Woods, right? It's going to be whoever it may be. But I think it's just drama. Trying to get back on the elder, which is kind of sad. But he's a bold-faced little liar, so how are you supposed to believe it's true? Tomorrow is the 82nd anniversary when we stormed those beaches, so I can speak. You know, we have a problem with the free speech with the hunch. You know, it's a shame. Anyways, you guys, put a condom on, prevent AIDS, herpes, gonna need the penis, okay? Sex is fun. Till all of a sudden, Aunt Flo doesn't come, all right? For the weekend, we'll see you at the car show, whatever, all right? See you guys all later.